to announce we have certain Sir Brian Buckman, Sun Fong Howard, and Senator Chris Eaton. Two represent me in Brooklyn Park. Senator John and Senator Chris, both are from Brooklyn Park, and from South St. Paul. So I'm going to invite respected lady Senator Chris here to speak on our behalf and the issue that's going on. We have already told them that what we have the issue, the killing of our people in South Africa, Libya, and Yemen, as well as our representatives that have been jailed for almost 3 years, and the killing of especially what's happening in Libya. What ISIS did, and we oppose that. We have no space for killing each other. So, Senator Chris, to the stage, please.
Thank you. Thank you. I'm Senator Chris Eaton. I represent Brooklyn Center in the southern half of Brooklyn Park. And I want to tell you that I believe strongly in the freedom of speech. I believe in the freedom of people to determine their own religion. And I believe that you need to respect the lives of others. This is an atrocity that should not be occurring, and you have my thoughts and hopes that go with you. Thank you.
Thank you very much. We appreciate it. Then I'm going to call Senator Fong to the stage, please.
Thank you, everybody. Welcome to the Capitol, my friends. My name is Fong He. I represent Eastside St. Paul, and I know some of you are in my district. You know, I have good friend Jean Galacco, who is my Oromo friend, and this year he came to ask me for some funding appropriation to develop business. So I did fight for that dollars so that the Oromo and the East African community can get money to improve their business. But today, I thank you for all of you show up for the injustice, the human rights issue in your country. It's important that you are here so that we can hear your voice. And as every senator, we represent 80,000 people. Each of us, Senator Eden, Senator Hoffman, each of us represent 80,000 people in the state of Minnesota. And that's a big voice, even though one person here is myself standing here to say to you. And I so want to be your voice, and I say I represent 80,000. I want to communicate to the federal government of our country to pay attention to the injustice of your people in Ethiopia, Kenya, and East Africa regarding human rights. So I'm addressing this message to my U.S. Senator, Senator Al Franken, Senator Amy Klobuchar, and Keith Ellison, and Congresswoman Betty McCollum, and our federal government to be mindful and please take care of this issue, and also the United Nations as well. So thank you for coming. You are my voice individually, but I am one voice of 80,000 communicate to a federal government so that fairness and injustice in your country can be taken care of. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Obbola wanni jaan ani nama tokko jaan sagale num kam nama kum saddeetaman qaba jaan nam tokko sagale num kum saddeetama South St. Paul represent goda jaan nama Oromo kanin beeku jira jaan wan yaada rakko khaysan federal motummaa fillee beeksisuudhaa fillee taatu asittilee irraa akka furmaata argatu nin tattaafadhaa jaanii inninis kaisa dura dubbattees Chris wanni jette kanuma sagalee teessan akkuma obboleessi keenya Umar Waaqoo kana dura jee sagalee teessan barbaadan kanaaf nu bira dhufan nama kum saddeettamaatu state district hunda keessa jira jechuudha sagalee keessan in quba qabaadhaa yaada keessan itti himannu kanatti aansee kanin fidu deemu John Hoffman from Brooklyn Park ajaa'iba sinittaa he got Oromo flag if iraqaba jechu if bitate if iraqaba hedumina kesantu kana fidechu. Next I'm going to present Senator John Hoffman. As you see him, he got the Oromo flag on his neck. He purchased this for himself, so let him talk his opinion here.
Thank you. We are celebrating an individual freedom today, the right to peacefully assemble. Isn't this amazing? Unfortunately, our brothers and sisters in Ethiopia cannot do the same thing. So I am standing here with you to promise you, together with Senator Fong He and Senator Eaton, we will remind people about the freedom to assemble, the freedom of speech, and the freedom to say what we want to say because we are who we are. This is America. Welcome to St. Paul. It's saddened 2 years ago when we stood here, and it was a cold, bitter weekend, and we talked about the atrocities of the 85 individuals who were shot by the Ethiopian government just for their wanting to peacefully assemble outside. Then I hear stories of a gentleman who gets elected in Ethiopia, and because he's Oromo, he gets killed the next day. That is wrong. We should be able to stand up here and freedom to elect whoever we want without the fear of getting shot. Thank you for being here, but don't stop reminding us this. Get in there and tell everybody else. I think Senator Hur and Senator Eaton and I will be doing another letter to our elected officials in Washington, D.C. about the atrocities. And please keep reminding us. I am so hurt by what is happening in Ethiopia, but we can change, and we will change. Thank you, and don't forget to keep fighting!
Thank you. Thank you. Galatoma, Galatoma, Galatoma. Akadam satiko dabarsu fi Umar Wako yamu feda khara stage.
السلام عليكم. دران درسي سنون دي بغروفتن سنين بچو فهمتي ورموتو مارا بكوي كان بچو وربادا. I would like to say welcome to our representatives. The reason we are here is the human rights situation in Ethiopia against Oromos, against all other people, and the situation outside Ethiopia, in South Africa, in Yemen, in Libya. You all heard about the atrocities done to people from Ethiopia, whether they are Muslims or Christians. I would like to tell you how this thing is related to you and to every American. Every people you see here who are in prison, every people who are chased from their country and killed in Libya, all this money which helps the Ethiopian government to oppress its own people, to kill its own people, to chase their own people from the country is from your pockets. Individually, every one of us are responsible. Every Americans are responsible for those who are killed in Libya, those who are killed in South Africa, those who are imprisoned and killed in Ethiopia, because the Ethiopian government is depend on your money, So what we want to tell you and to all Americans and American representatives is related to you. Everything is done to the people is because of your money.
Thank you.
We ask only one thing. If you cannot help us, please don't hurt us. Don't send money. Don't send blank check. That's what I want to say. Thank you very much for coming.
Assalamu alaikum again. How are you? And I'm very happy and I'm very glad here that you all guys present here today. Our cause is the Ethiopian government. It doesn't matter, we can say right or we can say left. The whole big obstacle is Ethiopian government. If it wasn't for them, people don't go out the country to be massacred, whether in the sea or in a neighboring country. It doesn't matter who does it, to whom it does. But it been doing it all the way to the people. That government have to be gone. That's the only solution. They arrest people, they kill people for their own benefit. They take in lands because they have a power, because they can say so. They can pass a judgment because they can do so. You don't have to have a reason. If the police suspect you on the road while you're driving, he doesn't have the reason to stop you. Ethiopian government doesn't have to have a reason to kill all the people that he doesn't like in that land. They give it a passport because it's less problem for them. They leave the country to find a better place to survive. A mother lose her son, her daughter. A mother lose herself and her children while she's fleeing. From what? From addict. because she doesn't have a food to eat in her own land. She doesn't have nothing to feed her kid on her own land. The only solution, I don't care what you think or what you say, is to get rid of that government for good, and hoping a good government will be created on. We've been taking advantage of left and right, and I appreciate you guys here. Please don't just be here. We're voting for you. We're paying a tax. Let's do something for Oromo people or all other people who is being under control in that land. Thank you for listening to me.
Thanks, Abiyati. Jazakallah. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Galatoma, Galatoma, Galatoma. Alhamdulillah. Imam Masjid Tawhid, Sheikh Abdurrahim Karasteja Siyama. Inshallah, Nuri Adda.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله آمين الصلاة والسلام على رسول الله صلى الله عليه وعلى آله وأصحابه وسلم تسليما كثيرا أما بعد السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته دبيني أني هافي في دبتني جاني وحفن دبة مالي أني هافي في دبتني yoo hafan dubbatanii jaan warri na dura dubbate hedduu waan babbareedduu waan jedhamuu qabus jedhaniiranii wanni an jedhu yoo jiraate qorra kana keessa dhaabattanii gadda isinit dhagahamee fi yaada qalbii keessan keessa jiru mul'isuun hedduu waan guddaa waan ta'eef rabbi isin haa galatoonfatu isiniin jedha wantoota haasame keessatti irra deddeebi'uu isin barbaadu sheekni keenya Sheekh Kamaal akka gaariitti dubbatanii turanii eegas egartee sheekni keenya Sheekh Safiir khutba irratti akka gaariitti irraa afaan gabaabbinaan irraa dabarsaniiranii akkuma sana agartee Naasir waan san fakkaatu gadi bu'iinsaan sirriitti ibsee jira waan san deddeebi'uu namaa waagaa waan fidullee natti hin fakkaatu ammoo wanni jiru wanni beekuu qabnu wanni hadhaasitti baaneef waa sadi ta'uu akka hubattan wanti sadiin sun maali tokkoffaa agartee ummata keenya ka hidhamanii waggaa hedduuf mana hidhaa keessatti akka maletti jiran isaan bira dhaabatuu ibsuuf akkuma Gaash Ibrahim Faariif dubbatanii asitti yaada kana dabarsan tokko kana ta'uu akka hubattan lammaffaa ammoo ummata rakkina bakka adda addaatitti ummata Itoophiyaa irra ta'utti jiru eenyumallee haa ta'u nama gartee jiraataa biyya sanii keessatti ka South Africaas ta'ee ka Liibiyaas ta'ee ka Yamanis ta'ee rakkoo isaan irra geette kana rakkinni kun rakkooteen jechuu ibsuuf bakka kanatti wal geenne tasadaffaa wanni an jechuu barbaadu ummata biyya jiruun warroota maatiin ilmaan isaanii akka maletti dabrite san akka gartee hubannaan hin taane yookiin yaanni hin taane maqaa keessan keessa jecha ergaa itti dabarsuu barbaanna li'annahu gochi kuni gocha islaamni godhee miti gocha islaamni raawwatee miti warri waan kanaan dhaabate eenyullee akka ta'e hin beeynu islaama bakka hin bu'u jennee agartee yaada kana isaanitti ibsuuf ammoo isin warra akkasitti jiruun nu haa dabritu jettee biyyaa baatee hadha moo boru naa dabriti yoom nyaadheen asitti jettee biyyaa baatee jiruu dabarfadhaaf deebee akka hin taanetti du'e san warra isaa seenaa isa keessaan baane isaanitti uumame san seenaan isaanitti uumamte sun nutti illee akkasumatti akka dhagahamtu ummata sanii ibsuuf bakka kana jirra jecha kanaaf waa'ee amantii islaamaa dubbachuuf warri na dura dubbatee jira islaamummaan akka waan kanaan hin dhufin islaamummaan akka nama dhiisii horii lafa deemuufuu yaaddu eegasi akka islaamummaan teenna jettutti namni nama tokko ajjeese man qatala nafsan bighayri nafsin aw fasadin fil ardi faka'annamaa qatala annaasa jamii'a namni lubbuu takkatti ajjeese jedha rabbi qur'aana isaa keessatti lubbuu takkatti ka ajjeese osoo inni lubbuu namaan ajjeesin namni lubbuu namaa ajjeese akka dhiyaatuu qaba mana murtiitti dhiyaatuu qaba seerri isatti dalaguu qaba seerri agartee akka rabbiin jedhutti namni nama ajjeese inni illee yoma san du'u murtiin isaa ka jiru kana namni nama ajjeese osoo naman ajjeesin osoo naman saamin osoo nama duniyaa namaan guuratin lafumaa ka'anii namni nama ajjeese akka waan lubbuu lafa jirtu tana kullii fixeeti yaa rabbiin kanatu islaamummaa jennee yaanna kanan maqaa islaamaati kun tooftaa agartee akkaree obboleessi kiyya Naasir jedhe diraamaa dur dalagame ammallee deebisuufi دراما غافا غرتي اوبلين كي نهدمن وروني اما سيتي دمن كنين جراتو غرتي موتما اسلاما دابوف موتما اسلاماتي وجچوف جداني موفي تلچني وليك دنسني تبرت غديسن امني سنين اللي بركوتي امني قروتي تي امني توبيا هاغلتو من اما اللي امه اسلاما بيد دابچون دور اللي اما اللي اكيسان بيد دابتن ابدير رقمنا اك امه اسلاما بيد دابتن ابدير رقمنا امه توبيا كيجيبو غرتي موتما سندنتون مچان ديقا وغاشن اللي هبتي جير نما غداديسي نما غداديسي مچان وغاشن اللي هبتي جير امانتر كيجمني موتمان توبيا ديمتون بكتك اللي كيسان جيس انجر اكريفو ناصر جدت امني بكن قبو امانتر غلا غروما ويتون جيرو كمان هدا كيسات دوفي كمان هدا كيسات مموفي كسووركت مموفي كاليبيات مموفي كيماني تممل غلا لفتيتو نساني والقطا امتا غرتي كريستانا ارتراوت مياني اودو ميديان اددا كدوبه تكون امه اسلاما امه كريستانا قفامتي ونسن بتمو كقبو امه كريستانا قفامتي اتشكيس امه اسلاما جرا نما اسلاما كانوا ادان بانو ولين جرا النبي ولين جرا تاتوري اما اللي دوتي تن تك ادان بانو يعني بك تكدو دواجر ميديا يو دبرس ور كريستانا ارك غد امجا ور كريستانا في اسلام الرتله وري اي سي سي كجدان كون كاما بي كيست رادو بتن كوني نمني اني في تاجر قدان امه اسلامات يو كارغتنتات لا لا سوريا كيس وان دلغ ماجر لا لا عراق كيس وان دلغ ماجر لا لا بقدداتي وان وجت ماجر كان كغد اجر ار قدان نمني دوم اجر يو نمني اغرتي مستهدف قد يفنن قدان الرجل اسلام تاوه بدا من كريستانا كبي كين جرتن دبيتنا كاسلام من حجتنا كانوا هبتن اسنت بيسفنا انا غرتي دبين وان غغردن ندرا دبتامي جرا غيا حدا كان قرر كان كيست ركوتنا كيست اسي ارغمتني كانت غرتي دابتني قد اسنت دغم ابسون كن حال جيرين امني كين كبي سني ولي قبو قد كان ولي قدو كان بك كان جراچو رديب ايش نو بچيسا غلطو ما ربنا غلطو فتو ركوتنا كيس ربنا هباس ركوتنا كيس ربنا هباس ilmaan teena taagartee baharatti dhumtu ta qurxummii nyaattu ta namni qalu ta mana agartee waan nama gaddisiisu gurbaan tokko dhiyoo tana liibiyaa keessatti ka dubbate mucaan islaamaa ka achi dalagu mana faarmaasii keessa ka dalagu intala takka tajaarsi irraa fudhatan tajaarsi bakka bu'ee dhaban amma agartee mana akkanaa jirti intalti akkanaa daa'ima wajji rakkattee guyyaa sadii waan nyaanne jechaa wayta dhagaye namni kun ka'ee fiigee mana isii dhaqee fuudhee baasee eegasi isa bakka bu'ee dhabanii manatti wayta galu isiin kiristaana akkami anana homa fedhellee ta'u hagaru hinti yabaatutti homaan taatu maatikii waliin teetta kotto dhee fuudhee kalee wayta intarvii godhan reediyoo irra dhageettanii hirta warri waan kana dhageettan kuni maal kenna ummanni islaamaa ummata qulqulluu ummata naziifa ummata xurii hin qabne ummata agartee ايبين كمن تاو ملسا من وني كون اغرتي امه اسلام بيرت كان بيكو قبا يو ور غوچا ويانين ارغيتو راوتو تاي مالي نمني قلبي نساوا اغرتو نمني سمو نساوا يادو نمني اجي ساوا اغرتو اكا هجي اسلام انت ان وبتو قبا ارغانتي نتا بك كنا ديمتو الدنيا جفا غو قبدي اسلامني بك مرا جرو في كريستاني بك جفا الدنيا رجرو من اثيوبيا اكا هجين كن هجي اسلام انت ان هبته وان اني غدو قبو وان سرا ايغم موتما تنو فرا كاسو مالي نغا هنجراچو اكن دندين كريستانا تاو اسلام تاو قاتا دراما نددا حجتما وان كنا بودا وان هفلي جنو نتن فكاتو غلطوما ربي سنا الفيسو جزاكم الله خيرا السلام عليكم ورحمه الله وبركاته الله اكبر ما شاء الله